Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Live and Align. The days you're here, thank you so much for joining me. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. First time here, I'm glad that you were able to stop by. Hope you like my content. Subscribe and continue to watch. For those of you who are returning, thank you so much for your time and supporting my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about garlic. Garlic, good old-fashioned raw garlic. Garlic is naturally antifungal and antiviral. What does that mean? That means that when you take garlic naturally, you're automatically going to be fighting off bacteria, to be fighting off viruses, and to be fighting off various funguses, maybe either in your body or on your body. But it's good for you. So this is how it looks after you peel it. Let me just show you, because I was in the middle of peeling one. So what you'll do is you'll take... Now make sure you don't get elephant garlic, guys. Elephant garlic is like man-made. It's like 3 times the size of this, which is unnatural. This is a natural bundle or bulb or clove of, not clove, but this is garlic, a bundle of garlic. One of them is called, I believe, a clove of garlic. But this is how it looks when it's peeled. Now, garlic being naturally antifungal and antiviral, is good for prevention. You can take garlic regularly, which allows your body to always have prevention in action. So if anything tries to set in your system, your body will already have some things to fight it off. Okay? So once you take the skin off, all right, you're going to cut it up. Now I keep this because this is just always, I just want to be able to access the garlic. And normally I have 2 or 3 of these large ones, but I ran out. Or I'm running out, so I'm going to have to re-up on garlic. But I definitely keep this always. All right, so you're going to cut the garlic up. You're not going to eat the peels, okay? You can do spells with the peels. All right, but these are, you're going to cut it up. And it's going to release the Allison. It's called Allison. That's what it's called when you let it sit for about 10 minutes. It's going to release something called Allison. And that's what activates the properties that are in it, okay? That's what activates the properties that are in it. Now, you're just going to chop it up, and this is how it looks. Ooh, it's going to fly. You just put it back on the napkin and keep cutting. Now, once you cut this up, you'll take it with whatever beverage of choice that you have. I usually also incorporate lemon juice, raw lemon juice, and or lime juice, or just take it with a regular bottle of water. Just take it with some water. You don't have to have it to be fancy. But you are going to want to cut this up and just let it sit for at least 10 minutes. So just pardon the mess because I had done this for myself. And then I decided to record it to share it with you guys so that you can apply it. But this antivirus thing, this man-made, guys, they're always trying to kill people off. But our bodies are naturally designed to fight things off. Try to stay away from sugars and sweets, which break down your immune system. Make sure that you are not eating a whole bunch of starches like I always do because I love starch, which essentially turns into sugars in your body as well. A lot of times when you have parasites, you crave sugars, and therefore you should definitely do some type of a detox cleanse. A lot of times when I take the garlic, I do so with kombucha. Kombucha is a natural probiotic. It has with 9 billion living probiotics. So it's good for your stomach if ever you're feeling kind of nauseous or nasty under the weather. This is good for that. So I shake it up because as you can see it has I don't know if you can see, but it usually has stuff that settles at the bottom. So I shake it up and then it's fizzy, guys. It's like soda. It tastes like, it doesn't taste like soda. Let me not tell that story. It doesn't taste like soda, but again, this can be purchased at, I get the big one. This is 48 ounces. This is $10 at Walmart, okay? They have different flavors, but Synergy is my favorite. Okay, let me just put that where you can see it. All right, and you'll drink it together. Now, the reason that I put this out here is because everyone talks about sea moss and how it has 82 or 92 of the 100 minerals that you need. Now, this is Celtic Harvest Coarse Gray Sea Salt. It contains 82 minerals. Sometimes I open this and I'm going to let you see how it looks. And I just put some in my mouth. I don't take anything fancy with it. I just take it's gray. because this is how it looks when it's natural. It's not dyed, it's not processed. This is how it looks, and it's actually pretty big. Okay, so I put some in my hand. I don't take this much. I didn't mean to grab that much. But you take it and you just put it directly into your mouth and let it dissolve, and that's a nice way to get minerals into your body. You don't always have to do sea salt, sea moss. You can do it this way. So I'm not going to run a 10-minute video, but once this is done, you put it on the spoon and you eat it, and you have it, you rinse it down with something. I always do it with kombucha, and it'll be in your system, and it helps to build your immunity. So I definitely recommend doing that, okay? Especially with all the stuff that's going on now. You could do this as much as you want, and it will not negatively impact your body. I'm not a doctor, so please check with your doctors first. Do not take my advice just off the strength of it. If you have any health concerns, check with your doctor first and make sure that you are understanding that garlic is natural. It's very few things that would impact your body negatively that are natural. Garlic has a lot of good properties. Now, some people have told me that it's too acidic. And if you have it on an empty stomach, it will make you very nauseous. My son took it on an empty stomach one time and he threw up immediately because it burns. It starts to do something to your system. But you're going to want to eat first. And then once you eat, you'll go ahead and you'll take this, you'll rinse it down, and then just keep going about your day. I would recommend, if you feel like you're catching something, just do it maybe twice a day, in the morning and in the afternoon, or in the morning and at night. Either way, it's a very good benefit for your body. Again, it's raw garlic. It's nothing fancy. This costs maybe not even $2 at Walmart. And make sure you guys do not get the elephant garlic, which is like huge. Elephant garlic is like the size of a baseball. That is not natural. I don't know how they grew it that big, but try it. Let me know how it works for you guys. And also, I'm going to also do a video on it. But if you feel like you're catching something and your throat starts to hurt, gargle with warm salt water and peroxide. Gargle with warm salt water and peroxide. This allows you, okay, to kill the germs in the back of your throat. And also, put a pot of water on the stove. It can be plain water, or it can be salt water, or it can have orange peels in it, or any kind of fruit peels in it. Boil that until the steam comes off of it, and then inhale it through your nose till it burns the back of your throat to kill any of the germs that might have made their way to your nasal passage. Again, take a pot of water and boil it. It doesn't have to be big, and you don't have to have the towel over your head. You don't have to do all that. But if you take the regular pot of water, boil it, and when the steam comes off of it, you inhale it. It can be regular water, or it can be water with peels of fruit in it, or salt. You can use the sea salt here, or you can use, just regular water. Do that. Breathe it in for about 30 seconds. Then back up, because it will be burning your face. Then breathe it in again, and it allows you to feel the burn in the back of your throat. You got to breathe it in your nose, though, a few times, and then that will literally kill any of the bacteria that might have lodged itself in your nasal passage. This is what we were doing during the time of COVID. Okay, but they're saying this antivirus thing is worse than COVID and all that. But when your immune system's strong, guys, things can't take you down that long. I don't care what it is. You make your mind up that I don't get sick, and you make sure that you take care of your body, you exercise, you get your rest, you don't eat a whole bunch of garbage and trash, you detox your body so that your body's not able to have the bacteria infiltrate a whole bunch of waste in your system, then you'll be good. But if you don't take care of yourself, anything is liable to happen. So guys, you get your body, you take care of it. All right. If you have any questions, or you have any ideas that you would like for me to share, or if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you have anything that you would like for me to try or do, please put it in the comment section, and I will see if it's something that I can make happen for you. Until that time, I thank you guys so much for coming to my channel and spending your time with me. And I hope that this was helpful for you. Let me know if it was helpful. If it was helpful, hit the like button, hit the thumbs up button, and have a good night.